Good morning, children. Welcome to the class of science. Here we are going to study chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is Health and Hygiene. And in today's class, children, we are going to cover up the topic components of food, that is vitamins, minerals, and water and roughage. As in my previous class, we have studied about the carbohydrates, fats, and proteins. So in continuation with the same topic, we are moving ahead with the new nutrients. Those are the vitamins, minerals, and water and roughage. So let's know about the vitamins. Children, what do you think vitamins are doing? What are their functions? And in all, you will know about the vitamins in this topic. Children, vitamins are needed in small amounts by our body to function properly. So children, you must see that it is needed in small amounts. About 13 vitamins of different types are needed by our body. And vitamins are mostly found in fruits, green leafy vegetables, eggs, and fish. So children, these things are providing you vitamins. So you must consume good amount of fruits and green leafy vegetables in your diet to maintain good amount of vitamins in your diet. Children, here I have shown you some of the pictures which are there right in front of you, which are providing good amount of vitamins, and you must consume these things to add vitamins in your diet. Just try to observe it carefully. Here we move on to the next nutrient, children, that is minerals. Children, just like vitamins, minerals are also needed in small amounts. Children, let us know what all kind of minerals are there. You can say iron, calcium, iodine, and phosphorus are some important minerals needed by our body. And children, milk and milk products are rich in calcium. So that is why I'm insisting again and again to you that you must have good amount of milk in your daily life. Every day you must have a glass full of milk. And you must consume milk products as they are rich in calcium. And calcium helps to keep our bones and teeth very strong. So if you wish that your bones are strong and if you wish that your teeth are strong, you must add up calcium in your diet. Then children, spinach, beetroot and jaggery gives us iron. And iron is needed for the formation of blood. As you know, you must maintain the blood level in your body. So if you would like to add up these things like spinach, beetroot and jaggery, that would be providing you good amount of iron. And that will be helping to develop good amount of blood in your body. So children, you must take the minerals which are shown here in the pictures. Just try to observe each and everything which are shown here so that you are able to add up good amount of minerals in your diet. And you can maintain good bones, strong teeth, and that can help in the formation of blood. So try to consume the sources of minerals which are shown right here in front of you all. Now we talk about the water and roughage, children. Our body also needs the right amount of water and roughage. And children, the part of food that can be digested is called roughage, as it is very helpful in your digestion of the food. Children, you must remember roughage forms the bulk of our diet and helps to pass stool easily. So you must add up good amount of roughage in your diet. Children, green leafy vegetables, fruits, and whole wheat are good sources of roughage. So children, do not refuse to have green leafy vegetables. Many of you must not be liking to eat green leafy vegetables. And I'm sure most of your mothers must be insisting you all to take these kind of vegetables. So now you must understand what all things your mother is serving you. They are definitely having some or the other nutritive value, which you might not be knowing about. But from now, you are going to eat good amount of green leafy vegetables and eat fruits and whole wheat. That is providing you roughage. Children, next we talk about the water. Water is needed by our body for its functioning. Children, we should drink plenty of water and eat food rich in roughage. As and then, children, I will tell you that 8 to 10 glasses of water is required by your body to drink. So do not forget, try to drink as much as water you can in a day, as it is helping you in many kind of functioning of your body. Now, children, we talk about all these things. I hope you are able to understand each and everything with the help of this slide, which is letting you know what is providing you roughage. So, children, here is a picture which is letting you know all about roughage. Add up all these things in your diet. And here is a glass of water, which is shown right in front of you. For you to know and understand that you must consume good amount of roughage, and always remember 8 to 10 glasses of water is a must in a day for you to consume. Clear, children? I hope with the help of these things you are able to understand each and everything what I've explained, all the kind of nutrients which you must take in your diet. I think now onwards you're going to add up all these nutrients in your diet and you are going to take a proper balanced diet for maintaining a healthy and fit body. Thank you all for watching the video. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care of your diet and be fit and healthy. Goodbye for now. Take care.